Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Barbican and we're going to give you a drone tour of the Loshusan Plaza and the land across from it where they're going to extend the plaza. So the plaza, actually the correct name for the plaza is Barbican Center. It's just that the Loshusan supermarket is in the plaza, so everybody refers to it as the Loshusan Plaza, but the correct name is Barbican Center. Now that is Barbican Center straight ahead, and the land in front of us now that we're flying over is Barbican Circle. Now Barbican Center and Barbican Circle are both owned by the Loshusan family. The company that owns it is Kenneth Loshusan and Sons. So they have plans to extend the existing plaza over onto this new piece of land. And to the left of us is the Hilo supermarket. Hilo actually sits on the Barbican Circle piece of land that's owned by the Loshusans. But Hilo has a lease because they just renovated the supermarket, very nice supermarket, and they have a 99-year lease. So whatever plans happen, read the extension of the plaza, it won't affect Hilo. Okay, now a road separates both properties. A couple years ago, when driving into Barbican from East Kings House Road, you would turn onto this side road between the two properties, go around, and then come back out on Barbican Road. The flow of traffic was changed, and that's East Kings House Road now. It goes straight up to Barbican Road in the vicinity of Fontana Pharmacy. So this change in the flow of traffic has now enabled the extension of the plaza onto the other property. And this is a very nice piece of land. When it comes down to these commercial developments or developments in a whole, it comes down to location. And the plaza on the left does very well. The Loshusan supermarket is one of the more popular supermarkets in Jamaica, or one of the popular ones. It has won numerous awards. In that plaza you have food stores. They have the three things you need for a successful plaza. They have a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, which is Loshusan. They have food stores, they have restaurants, they have Wendy's, and they built it in a populated area. So you follow that formula and you will have a successful plaza in Jamaica. So the plaza was built first, and then the Loshusan family purchased the land that we're looking at now for $1.1 billion, and this was back in 2010. So you can imagine how much this land is worth now. And it was an excellent move to purchase it because they always had plans to extend the plaza. And the National Works Agency, during their road upgrade program, extended the road going straight up. That's a new section of the road we're looking at now. Well, we say new, but it was done a couple years ago. Now they actually have plans to extend East Kings House Road, that's the road on the left, going all the way down to Hope Road. Actually, they have plans to extend Lady Musgrave Road as well into a 4-lane dual carriageway. So the way the road looks here at this section, that's how it's going to look going all the way down 4 lanes. So that will definitely help with the flow of traffic in this area. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.